So this video is about how to include metadata. You might be knowing about meta tag as we have already discussed that in the head section of HTML. But let's learn more about metadata in this video. Meta tag defines metadata about an HTML document. Metadata is data about data. Meta tags always go inside the head element and are typically used to specify character set, page description, keywords, author of the document, and viewport settings. Metadata will not be displayed on the page but is machine parsable. Metadata is used by browsers, search engines, and other web services. There is a method to let web designers take control over the viewport through the meta tag. Now let's see an example. So as you can see in the head tag, in the head section, I have included several meta tags. So the attributes that you can use inside your meta tag are character set, name, content, and HTTP equivalent. So the first one is character set. Character set specifies the character encoding for the HTML document. So for this page we are using UTF-8. The next attribute we have is the name attribute. So the first value that I have given in the name attribute is description. So this is going to describe a web page. Then I have given the value keywords. So search engines use metadata to rank your website. So it is very important to include these meta tags in your HTML file. Next value that I have given to the name attribute is author. So this is going to tell author of this web page. Then we have viewport. The viewport is the user's visible area of a web page. It varies with the device. It will be smaller on a mobile phone than on a computer screen. This gives the browser instructions on how to control pages, dimensions, and scaling. The width is equals to device width part sets the width of the page to follow the screen width of the device. The initial scale is equals to 1 part sets the initial zoom level when the page is first loaded by the browser. And lastly, we have HTTP equivalent. So what this line is going to do is, whenever you make changes in your HTML file, what you usually do is you go to your browser and refresh your page, and only then you are able to see the changes that you have made in your HTML file. But if you write this line, you don't have to refresh your page again and again. After 30 seconds, the changes will automatically appear on the web page. Now let's understand with the help of an example. If I add another paragraph, say how to include metadata. And I save my HTML file and I go to the browser. But I'm not going to refresh my web page. And you have to wait for 30 seconds, and afterwards you will see that the paragraph will appear on my web page. See, over here it is showing how to include metadata. So that is the use of that particular line. So that is all you need to know about metadata and meta tags. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.